I'm Deepa, like I'm from Guwahati, which is like northeast, like green, and the city where I have the only male river, Brahmaputra. After that, after my educations there, I went to chase my dream. I went to Delhi for further education, and then did my little bit of educations there. Then started working. Then again from Delhi, I moved on to Bangalore. So basically, I'm a PR consultant. I help my clients to get a media face on things. So like parents, like my mom, my dad, and my elder sister, they are all back at home. And okay, the problem basically is a transportation problem. So I have been traveling around. Like I have traveled to like, as in like not abroad also, but within India. Like I have faced a problem of transportation. Problems where you in Bombay you don't face a especially a transport problem. It's like very swift, very easy. You get taxis, you get autos and all this stuff. And but in Delhi also it was not a much problem. The real problem for me for transportation happened when I moved on to Bangalore. First, I had few language barrier, and second, I have found that here auto people don't want to go. They don't want to go short distance. They don't want to go long distance. I simply feel that where they want to go, they don't want to go short. They don't want to go long. Then where exactly they want to go? I was like really get frustrated, and at that moment when the frustration goes and I have to call like forget an auto, let me call up a cab service. Cab service, they were like not available. I've like many a times I have like major brands, be the major brands in the market, be the small one, I have to check out with everyone. Like boss, I want to go from Malleshwaram to Indira Nagar. Is a cab available? Or it's like no ma'am, we don't have it. But if you call up the same cab services after a few minutes and ask them that I want to go to airport, it's available always. Why not within the city? Why not value the function or thing that we want to go to city also? Yes, recently I have seen that few have come up with a city tour, but I have to take a 40 kilometer package. When I have to travel 20 kilometers, 25 kilometers, I know the distance, I know that why pay for 40 kilometers. My thing is to connect this thing, the trouble of traveling within the city. My dream is called Paint the City because it's called roaming around the city, traveling around the city, so Paint the City. Solution is designing a cab service or taxi service which is specially for within the city. Company is the price rate. It's like lower. Like I have that, and a social dream will be that yes, it will generate a kind of an employment for people because what you see is that people from rural areas, they have the skills, they know the driving, they know the rules and all the stuff, but people are scared to employ them up, whether they will be good for them or not. If I employ them in an office, even in a lower level, will they be able to deliver the right file or not? So it will create a level of employment also for people. So that too will connect to the social thing. Yes, that's what is a dream, as a social dream. Yeah, second dream is like which I'm very passionate about it. Let's see how it goes by. That's my baking.